The 48V 1000W e-bike kit is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that ensures efficient and silent operation, making it perfect for converting your regular bicycle into an electric bike. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy frame, this kit can support up to 220 pounds and features a drive system without moving chains or gears to minimize friction. The kit is compatible with any 26-inch bicycle frame and supports both disc and V-brakes, offering flexibility for various bicycle modifications. It includes all the necessary components for easy assembly, allowing users to convert their bicycles to electric bikes by themselves or with professional assistance. Safety is prioritized with handbrakes that automatically shut off the motor, preventing overheating and conserving energy, while the CE certification ensures quality and safety. This environmentally friendly conversion kit is battery-powered, reducing the carbon footprint, promoting sustainable commuting options.